Hi, my name is Joel Waterman. I'm a senior at Purdue University majoring in Ag Systems Management. For my Capstone project, I did the chassis dynamometer project, as you can see here. A dynamometer is just a device as to take horsepower and torque readings off of rotational motion, whether it be a PTO or a power takeoff shaft, or from the wheels, which would be a chassis dynamometer. The project was to couple the two together. Since we don't have any monitoring capability on the chassis dyno, we wanted the PTO dyno coupled to it so that we could take those readings. To do so, I had to purchase a PTO shaft to connect the two together, and to get a custom fit onto the PTO dyno, I had to design a shaft plate which would be welded onto the end of that shaft. And then we wanted the chassis dyno mounted to the floor as a safety precaution, so I designed the dyno mounting place to do so. One of the problems that we ran into before with the current setup, before I bought the PTO shaft to couple the two together, the angles of the U-joints, or the joints on the PTO shaft, were put under too much stress because they were at too severe of an angle. Before they were at 17, and the end result we have at 11 degrees. We stayed on schedule for the most part. We had a budget of $500.
So Joel, what was the most challenging aspect of this project?
I think the most challenging aspect of the project was getting very accurate measurements, and then taking those measurements and actually designing pieces on CAD. That was probably the most challenging.
And what was the most interesting part?
The most interesting part for me was actually doing the hands-on, doing the welding, actually doing the painting, and the kind of fabricating things on the fly was kind of the most fun part for me.